I was just sent this fruit and vegetable washer. This is such a neat idea. It comes with a charging base and then just this little over 4 inches of a washer. Now, all you've got to do is get your fruit and vegetables, get some water, and then this little guy does the rest of it. Now, you do have different settings that you can do based on whatever fruit there is, and it does have a nice little guide here on the top. I've already got my water in here. So then we just turn this on. You just press and hold on the top button, put it in there, and it will go to work. Now you can either fully immerse it or you can also leave some of it out. But we are gonna get this set in here and then we'll add in my strawberries. All right, so this thing is now going and you can actually see all of the bubbles and things that are coming up from here. It's just those ions cleaning everything up. So let's get our fruit added in and then we will let this thing clean it all up and check back in here in, I guess, 7 more minutes. It's got the countdown going. All right, so now we've got this thing done. So you can actually leave this in here for a little while just to get all of that extra electrolytes and hydrogen in there. But you can see the water has got all sorts of extra stuff that's been floating around in here from these strawberries. Then all we've got to do is just rinse them off and eat them, and they will be ready to go, nice and clean. And I didn't have to do any work, just dump it in there and let this little machine do the rest.